Pratik. I'm here unboxing 1000 kV RacerStar motors, brushless motors from Banggood. These arrived within 12 days. So let's see. I ordered 6 pieces. So let's see what's inside. So this is the motor. As you can see, this is very good quality. These are the attachments. And guys, I got these motors for 2000 rupees in a group buy. I ordered in a group buy. ₹2,000 for 6 pieces. Guys, I will do a review soon. How is the motor? 1047 props are recommended, but you can use 1045, or I have used 9047. Guys, the motor thrust is like 835 gram. So if you use 4 motors in a quadcopter, you will get 3.5 kg lift. Guys, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Here you go, all 6 motors, looking really cool.